Okay, now today we're going to go ahead and finish up a few things. I've got the radio on, so you can see the ailerons are working just fine. What we're going to do is we're going to hot glue the rudder in place. That way it's centered. So zero your trim. Then we're going to take the hot glue gun. You put a dab on the back here of the servo, and then just simply center it. Should be enough. Just watching that, make sure that this is center. Let that cool down. Alright, while that's cooling down, we're going to go ahead, use this 1.7 mil paper to make the bottom hatch for the battery. You always iron with the shiny side up. Doesn't take much, I'll tell you that. Okay, that's done. Now also I talked about making skids for this. So we take the 10 mil, which is a lot thicker. Put that right there, just let it stick out at the point. Roll it over here. I'll glue the back. Okay, and then we're going to pinch the front. And on the edge of my table here, I'm going to hot glue the top together to a point. Okay, so I can feel it sticky. Alright, cut that off. So now we've got a skid. I've got multiple made, so we'll put those underneath the wings and the tail. Okay,